Good morning, my viewers, and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is a YouTube channel called Dr. Next Door, where we explain medical conditions, medical illnesses in simple and easily understandable terms, devoid of any medical jargons, so that every one of us could know its meaning and be able to understand it very well. So today, I'll be talking about the signs of high blood pressure. And high blood pressure is when you got the readings consistently above 140 over 90. That's what we term as high blood pressure. And also, I also let us to know that there are no specific signs of hypertension. The signs that we experience is based on the part of the body that is affected by the high blood pressure. So this morning, I'll be listing 9 different signs of high blood pressure that once we start experiencing it, is either we go quickly to our hospital to check our BP, or if we have the BP monitoring machine at home, we check it immediately. And if we are known hypertensive already, it may be a time to review our medications. So firstly, I would like to talk about frequent headaches. This is when an individual develops headaches mostly at the back of the neck, despite the fact that the individual is not having any other disease condition, no fever, nothing. It may be a sign that the BP is high. Secondly, when we have blurring of vision, sometimes when the BP is severely high, it can affect our eyes, making it not to see clearly. Thirdly, I would like to talk about dizziness. Someone with a severely high blood pressure can start experiencing dizziness. See, as if the environment is turning, as if the eyes is turning. It's a sign to also watch out. Then I also talk about the fourth sign, which is chest pain. There are some vital organs in the chest that can be severely affected by high blood pressure. We have the heart, which pumps blood, and we have our lungs, which is for the breathing. They can be affected by high blood pressure, causing chest pain. And in case of chest pain, resulting from high blood pressure or any form of chest pain, I will strongly advise you go to your hospital first for further advice. It's not a condition you feel and you stay at home. It can be something much, much dangerous. So number 5, we have difficulty with breathing. Just as I was explained earlier on, the organ for breathing is also located in the chest. It can be affected by high blood pressure, making such an individual having difficulty with breathing. And if care is not taken, it can lead to breathing problem, breathing failure. The individual can stop breathing, such as also applicable to the high blood pressure that's affecting the heart. It can severely affect the heart, and the heart can stop working, which is what we call heart attack. And the sixth one is bleeding from the nose. The bleeding from the nose can be from one nostril or from both. And in this case, there may be no trauma to the nose or just a minimal trauma to the nose, and the nose starts bleeding profusely. It can be a sign that the BP is high. Let's check it. Also, we have what we call swollen legs. An individual with severely high blood pressure can have swollen legs, which in the medical world is known as edema. It can be from the heart that is failing as a result of high blood pressure, or from the kidneys that are failing from the effect of high blood pressure. So whenever we experience any of these things, please let us go to our doctor immediately. And in addition to swelling of the legs, we can also have swelling of the face too. And also the same explanation applies. It can be from the heart being overworked as a result of the high blood pressure, making it to fail gradually, also from the kidneys. Then the number 8, we have what we call irregular heartbeat. This is where the pressure is affecting the heart, and in this case, it's making it to beat abnormally. It's making it to beat irregularly. This is when people tell us that they can feel their heart beating, they can hear it beating. It's what we call palpitations. We hear the heart beating irregularly, and it's also a dangerous sign of high blood pressure. Then the ninth one, that's fatigue. An individual with a severely high blood pressure that has damaged some organs of the body, especially the heart, can also start feeling fatigue, easy fatigability. In which case, an individual can just walk few meters and start panting, feeling extremely tired. The normal activities that such an individual can do before become something difficult for them to do now. That is sort of the blood pressure affecting them. So these are the 9 danger signs of high blood pressure, which I would like to tell us this morning. And I also have to add to this that all the signs are not specific to hypertension. It can be other signs of other disease condition. So as part of our dedications on this platform, I will always advise us to visit our hospitals and clinics regularly for checkup. So if you are happy with our discussion today, If you want more of my videos, I would advise us to subscribe, like, and comment. And if there are other things you want us to discuss here on this channel, you can always send it to my comment section. I'll read reply, then I will give us more enlightenment about it. Thank you. Subscribe to my page, like, and comment. Thank you.